This is absurd. I'm quitting this. Camera review. About 5 years and 400 videos. I've been putting so much energy and passion in camera reviews. I reviewed many cameras and lenses. Each time there were challenges and learnings. I was able to develop myself as a person and filmmaker while this channel grows. And a bunch of the nice comments made me feel that I was also helped many people. But I had to admit that I had a doubt. Is this really worth betting my whole life in? No. Is camera review what I really want to do? No. Am I going to quit the camera review? Well, yes and no. It's just I want to do more than reviews. After 5 years and 400 videos, I realized two huge important things that led me to the conclusion quitting camera review. In this video, let me share that with you guys. This is the new start. Reason number one, life is challenging and learning. I don't like the normal ordinary review that the reviewer just talks about that gear in that video. So pretty much every time I made a short film, and not just a film. It has a crux and message that I want to deliver. Sometimes I read a book to get some new ideas and awareness and blend it to the given topic. For example, Best Buy Camera 2026 plus camera ain't important. There's a main topic that I have to cover, which is the camera and the lens review. But I don't want to do that normal review video, so I combine the review and life lessons and mindset stuff. I have done a tons of them. Means I have tried and learned a lot except the camera. It's like this. For example, I have to review the Fujifilm camera. So I learned about the Fuji and the ideology of the brand. And then I start to see some words floating around this camera. For example, if I see the word live the moment, I would chase it. How can I break it down more? What about the meditation stuffs? Well, I am interested in Zen, so let's read a book about it and try it by myself for real. And then I actually read a book and I tried it for the camera review video. And what just happened? Well, the mindset of Zen is one of the important aspects of my life now. And I do Zazen, which is some kind of meditation of yoga every single day to focus on now. And I pick some catchy stuff from that mindset and use it as the crux of that Fujifilm camera review video. I've done this process more than 200 times in this YouTube. So no doubt, I learned and tried a lot, and that eventually improved my life so much. So because of that style of this channel, it's like I forced myself to challenge and learn new things continuously in this 5 years. And this experience gave me the huge awareness, which is that life is challenging and learning. We must keep challenging and learning as our ancestors have been doing to open doors to the future. And challenging and learning makes you focus on the present moment. And I believe this attitude is super important to live healthy and happy, mentally, physically, in this up modern world, modern society. But you don't always have to do big stuff like be a billionaire or be the expert of something. The personal win is enough. The small effort to improve your life is enough to focus on now. Challenging and learning could be anything, but what I want to tell you is that is the crux of the life itself, and that is what I want to bet my whole life in, and that is what I want to do on YouTube. I've been doing it personally in review videos. Like I said, the combination of review and mindset life lessons. And I know some of you guys noticed them. I saw some comments, but honestly, let me tell you this. Camera is way too small for me to challenge and learn. I mean, it sometimes jeopardizes what I want to deliver. What I want to do is to share what I learned from my experience, challenge, book, movie with people and help them to improve their everyday life. Same as I did to myself. Camera is, of course, one of them, but it's just one of them. The reason number two is cameras don't matter. That is just what it is. I talked about that at the last video. Well, I made that video because I wanted to talk about that. So, what is the camera? What is the gadget? They shouldn't come first as the idea. They are just a tool to support our life. So the question like what camera and the lens should you buy is absurd. You gotta start from what you wanna do, need to. The life-ish question must come first. And if you can solve that problem, you will know what cameras to have. And all cameras are eventually same. Like 4K 60 FPS, raw, dynamic range, brah. Absurd. The crux doesn't exist in here. I admit the camera can make your life better, but it's just one of the tools. There are more other important things, but I kept saying like, this got a cinema potential, this got dynamic range, 15 stops, brah. Can't stand it anymore. After all, I realized that everything depends on people, individual, and how to use it. There's that one comedian in Japan, and he said one thing in his joke. He bumped into some fan of him on the street, and that fan said like, oh, you are louder than I see on your TV, and that comedian responded like, what? That depends on the volume of your TV. Exactly. After all, no matter what camera it is, it depends on people. Like it depends on how you light, shoot, and color grade. And more to say, it depends on how you live. Like what you want to challenge, the life you want to have, those are more important. Cameras are just there to shoot, to capture the moment. It's super simple. Your life is more complicated, so you want to put all energy and passion in it, not cameras. Just buy Sony or Lumix, doesn't matter. Well, I understand, still sometimes it's hard to choose, so I kept making a review and comparison videos, but I think my job is done now. I got a ultimate conclusion. Which camera should you buy? I don't give a shit, because it's not important. So, to sum up, I'm gonna quit being a camera reviewer who talks only about the camera. My original desire and purpose of this YouTube channel is to challenge, learn, improve, and share. So I just will go back to that. And simply, I just want to go to the bigger world. I have been helping people in camera related topics, and I am super proud of that. And I hope I can do that in the future too. But I believe I can help more kinds of people, not, only in this camera topics, camera genre. I want to challenge and learn new things. In fact, I have been doing many in this 5 years to improve my life, so I got tons of ideas and things I want to share with people. And I want to say that I will still do the camera related videos if I find something interesting. In fact, I'm gonna post one video about the camera, especially this Nikon. I just realized that I can't show this lens to you guys yet, and I also realized that one thing, like this has been here whole time in this video. So, I'm thinking like, oh man, I just fucked up, and what am I gonna do? Like, I need a moment to think about this. Do I go over from the start, or do I edit it in some ways? What was I saying? Yeah, I have one more camera related video coming January 8th. Maybe I made it a little complicated, so let's just make it simple. This channel is no longer about only camera reviews. This is the life improving channel with the documentary of challenges and learnings of my life. Yeah, I like that. I'm sure I can give you the, happy and pure motivated vibe through this channel. The life is damn short. I'm done restraining myself. Let's believe I can. And you can. Let's enjoy the fucking life. Okay, this is it. If you have any questions, just shoot me anytime, anywhere. And if you like this video, show me a thumb and hit the subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. That means next year, 2026. Have a good 2026. Let's see you there. Jump.